Hello friends, it's Harry here. I want to make a short video about how to modularize our Shiny apps. So first of all, let's look at the data that we will use for the Shiny apps. So here is election data from the 2020 presidential election. We have three variables here. The first variable is the state, the second variable is the candidate, the third variable is the percent of vote that the candidate won in each state. Okay, so let's look at some Shiny apps first. So I'm going to use RStudio here. So let's open some app. Okay, so this is a simple app. We will generate some bar plot. So let's run the app. Okay, so you can see we have a horizontal bar plot. The y-axis is the state, the x-axis is the percentage for votes. Here we have the result for Biden, and if we choose Trump, we can see the bar plot for Trump. Okay, very simple app. Let's look at another app. This will also generate a bar plot. Okay, so you can see this time we have vertical bar plot. We have the candidate Biden here. If we choose Trump, we see the result for Trump. Okay, the y-axis is the percentage of votes. The x-axis is the state. All right. So now, suppose we want to put these two apps together. So this often happens when we work on a relatively complex projects. We have some apps prepared individually, but we need to combine them together. So we're going to use the modularizing of the Shiny apps. So this is based on an article from Posit, written by Winston Chang, modularizing Shiny app code. So you can read the article to get all the details. I will show what I have done to modularize the two apps that we just saw. Okay, so let's open some file here. I have app1 module.r. So here you can see I created some code here for swimmer UI, and then I created some code for swimmer server. So basically I prepared two small modules, one for UI, one for server. And similarly, I created a file app2 module.r, and this time I have waterfall UI and waterfall server. So this is for the vertical bar plot. Okay, so let's look at the app that will use those modules. So that's app1, app2.r. Okay, so here it looks like just a regular Shiny app. We call some libraries, then we have the UI, and then we have the server. But if you look at the line 25 here, we're calling the waterfall UI module. On the line 31, we're using the swimmer UI module. And in the server part, we just call the waterfall server and the swimmer server. So the code looks very neat, and it's very manageable. If we need to make some change, we don't have to go through a very large R Shiny program. We can instead we can go to those modules and make modifications in those modules. So that's a big advantage when you are working on complex projects. Okay, let's run this app quickly. Okay, so you can see we have some bar menu here. The first one is the vertical bar plot. We have the result for the two candidates. And then we can go to the horizontal bar plot, and we get the results for the two candidates. Okay, so that's all I wanna show. I will put these programs in my GitHub account, and I will leave the link below the video. I will also leave the link for the article about the modularizing Shiny apps below this video as well. I hope this is helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you.